Community.
I haven't watched Hunger Games, actually.
Have you read Hunger Games?
No.
No?
Weirdly enough, I find the book first and I'm interested enough to read it. If there's like a movie version and I know that a movie version exists, I read the movie.
Yeah.
I watched the movie version first for some reason.
If you liked this, you would like the book.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'd like Hunger Games.
Or the other way around, but that's if I found
haven't
the
read all
book
three,
first.
But yeah, it's good.
What I imagine the Hunger Games being is people being forced into a giant forest and forced to kill each other.
Yeah, well, and everything is controlled. You know, even the weather. You know, everything in the arena is controlled.
Also, I was cough, and I'm kind of mad about that.
Sorry.
I'll say not tied to you. I'm tied to your phone.
I didn't realize you were recording.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, we just talked about
Hunger Games.
which might seem off the bat to you, but at the same time, I can't even remember what I last said, which is more frustrating part. But
You were talking about the neighborhood, like a big square.
right, yeah, I was talking about how I imagine the town being like basically a field of square houses, basically. It would add to the eeriness of the movie if you would ever show. I'm not gonna stop nagging at you until you arrange something. At the same time, I'm pretty sure I explained what it gained, honestly. What did freedom mean for Jonas? It meant, technically I already kind of answered this as well, haven't I? Kind
Yeah.
of.
You're good.
What can our own memories and those of our society teach us about the value of memory, the value of freedom? Honestly, this could have gone back into why I talked about being what the definition of humanity means. Memories are the ones that create emotions and morality because you learn from them. The community doesn't learn. At least, not in more ways than one. But memories are, like I said about, like if you're raised in a blank space, all you're gonna know is the blank space. But that's because that's all the memory has for you. So if you grow up with more and more memories of more and more things, you're going to be more than anyone in every way. Emotions and morality are what makes humans human. But you can't do that without the actual memories to have such. People have problems with the emotions all the time. People have breakdowns all the time. People are confused all the time. But that's only because they're confused of what they remember taught them, everything means to them. Everything is a memory. It's a footage that's going on every single millisecond that you're using to contemplate every single one of your decisions. The community is not about decisions. So, the only one that is given that power is Jonas and the Giver. And that being said, well, that gives them every right to make a choice.